This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by quitting Visual Studio Code so nothing locks files. Use code quit or Command+Q. Next, open Finder and drag /applications/Visual Studio Code. App to the trash. This removes the core app bundle. Once done, do not empty the trash yet if you plan to inspect support files. Make sure you've closed any instances that might be running in background. These steps remove the primary application quickly while preventing file access conflicts during deeper cleanup. Now remove the configuration, cache, and extensions that persist. In Finder use, go to folder with /library and delete application support/code plus any code insiders folders. This clears your profiles and local extensions. Then remove /library/caches/com, Microsoft, VS Code /library/preferences/com, Microsoft, VS Code, plist, and /library/saved application state-related folders to erase state and prefs. Make sure to check hidden /. VS Code in your home folder and any global extensions under /usr/local or similar. That completes the middle cleanup. Finally, empty the trash and reboot your Mac to ensure background processes stop and temporary files release. This seals the removal. If you need to verify, reinstall then uninstall again to confirm no leftover files return. If something goes wrong, like VS Code still launching, check /library/launch agents and /library/launch daemons for related entries and delete them, then reboot. One key troubleshooting tip. Use console logs and activity monitor to identify stuck services before force deleting system items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.